Okay, good day everybody. Welcome back to Flickr Brains. All right, let's log into our Google Adsense account. Let's see what we have made today. Okay, looking at the screen, you can see that this is our live AdSense dashboard, and you can see today so far. You can see what we summed up today so far with. We summed up today so far with roughly $2,000 on this account, and looking at the performance over here, you can tell that this is not manually generated. This is fully automation method. A single individual cannot generate this kind of clicks on his or her own. It's so obvious, everybody knows. Okay, so now from the last video I posted, I was having a lot of DMs, people complaining that they don't really know how to get their CPC this high, like my videos. If you are following us on this channel, you will notice that throughout this channel this year, we have been posting consistently, and particularly on this account. This account has been receiving payment throughout this year, and our CPC has always been high. So this is because of the type of cookies we created. And there was a video I created on this channel saying that I'm going to give away a free tutorial on how to create high profile cookies on my IG if I have enough follows on the IG. But it seems that video didn't turn out well. I didn't get much followers on the IG, but nevertheless I'm still going to drop out that cookies videos on the IG. So in the description box of this video, you're going to see the link to the IG. You can follow up and queue up and wait till I drop that video. If I see enough people there, definitely I'm going to drop the video, and it's even a detailed video. Now let me just give people some tips. Majorly what helps us get this high CPC is that we spend enough time in creating our cookies. It's not cookies that you just come, you sit down on your laptop, do like open all these high CPC keywords. I know it's normally you create high CPC keyword, but this one you're going to take your time. We like normally spend like enough time in creating these cookies. Take time creating them, scrolling down, and we make use of emails too in our cookies. That's what also makes it authentic and real. We make use of cookies emails to create those cookies too. So you can, let me refresh this one more time, self. So most of you that are having doubts on this is not a real dashboard, this is a real live AdSense dashboard. Now, also had complaints. Speaking of proxies, people were asking me which proxies do I make use of, and the proxy I make use of is 360 proxy, which I think they have changed their name to cherry proxy. Many of you, they are using these proxies too. I know many people are also using this proxy. So this proxy is a good proxy. For those of you that complain your clicks are dropping, it's not from the proxy. It's not from the proxy that your clicks are dropping. That proxy is a very good proxy. It's the proxy I've been using throughout this year, and I haven't faced much issues with it. If your clicks are dropping, that means it's from the way you work. The method you use to work is not really effective. That's why your clicks are dropping. You understand? So for those of you that are new to this channel, you probably don't even really understand how this method works and you want to make inquiries about it. You can click on the description box below. You're also going to find out our contact info there. You can contact us for more inquiries to know how we even perform this. You understand? If you also want partnership, you want us to work on your account and we share revenue at the end of the month, we are in for that. You can drop the account too. I and my team are going to look on that, work towards on loading the account to share the revenue properly. All right, for more inquiries, click on the description box below. Okay, so let me refresh this one more time. So you guys will see for yourself this is actually a real account. Okay, so guys, that's for it today. Today is 20th, so probably on 21st being tomorrow, we're going to receive this payment. I'm still going to drop a video that tomorrow evening. Sometimes it doesn't actually be tomorrow that they'll pay the money. Sometimes they used to do it the next day. So once we receive this payment, I'm going to drop a video on this channel to show you guys that we're definitely going to receive this payment too. All right, so you can also, if you're new here, you can subscribe on our channel, follow us for more Google AdSense content like this. All right, Have a nice day, everybody. Thanks.